I'm here with the review of Field Liquidity Scalper Indicator. So, still, I think most of the subscribers are thinking that this is the buy signal. This is not a buy signal. Okay, some of them think that this is also a buy signal, and some of the subscribers also think this is the buy signal. So, guys, just look at the name of the indicator. The name of the indicator is Field Liquidity Scalper, which is actually telling us that the liquidity is failed and it's the time to go into the downward direction. So it works completely opposite to what you were doing before. So this is the sell for us, this is another sell for us. So what we do normally, so this is the gold 3 minute chart, and my indicator was the one who told you about this drop before time. So first of all, you can see this is the candle, and this signal was generated on this candle. So we will mark the low of this candle, and then you can see the price, this candle closes below the low of the signal candle, so it becomes your sell. And then another, this is the low of the candle, but sorry, this is the low of the candle, and the price closes below, so it was another sell. You can see the price is down, and then the third scalping chance is given to me by my indicator. You can see this closes below and the price is down. When the price is way down, then I will normally avoid selling at that position. You can see even the market has made a very good wick, but my indicator has not told you to take any kind of buy. And also we have news today, I think so. So okay, now about this one. Like if you just look at this one, this is the high, but the candle closes the high of the signal candle. So what we need to do, we need to take a buy position. We will add our first position here, we will add our second position here, and if 3 to 4 consecutive bearish candles goes, then we normally close our trade in case of stop loss. But you can see here the signal was right, and you see the price up. And even here, that's the liquidity failure. You can see on Great Britain pound JPY closes above, the next candle closes above the high of the red candle, then you can see the price simply moved up. Okay, so it's your choice, but I don't recommend, and I don't trade these like sell signals, and we don't trade the even the right signals from the indicator. Like you can see that this is the red signal, price is dropped. No, basically we are looking at the liquidity fail concept, and we will be looking for the fail liquidities. Okay, so this is another one. Like for example, look at this one. This is euro USD 3 minute. So what happened here, the price breaks the low and the price went up, and the second signal, but when the price went so much down, now you can see this is the price breaks the high. See, the market simply moved up. And at next we have USD CHF. You can see this was the sell for you, the price breaks the low, and then you can see the price is way down. Okay, so we will find the failed liquidities and we can simply trade that one. Okay, right now what you see here, the price is trying to give a close above. So if it successfully closes above, then it means that this is the buy. The same it has done here, like this is the bullish move for the market. Okay, and this works, it has a very high accuracy. Trust me, it has a very high accuracy. I'm just showing you on 3 minutes so that I can show you the quick procedure. Look at this. This is Australian dollar USD. This is the high. And now just see the market breaks simply into the upward direction. It tells you before the move that where the market wants to go. Okay, now just look at this. The price breaks the high, you will add your first position from here, you will add your second position from here, and like if 3 to 4 candles go consecutively down, we can exit our trade. Otherwise, mostly we will use this indicator for scalping. If I show you Bitcoin, then you can see this is the buy. Okay, and if we talk about here, just look at this one. This is the failed liquidity happened on that indicator, and now see how the price simply moved up. And this is the real time indicator, this is not a joke, because this indicator works perfectly fine. Okay, look at this. Even just look at USD JPY, the price breaks below, and this is the sell for you. And when the price wants to go up, you can see it breaks the high of the signal candle, and then you can see down, it's up. Okay, now whatever time frame you use, it doesn't matter. Like for example, I'm going to 15 minute. You can see on 15 minute it's breaking the high, so it might be bullish. And look at this one, it breaks the high, then you can see simply it went into the upward side. Let's have a look on gold. Okay, so gold today 15-minute signal was very perfect, and the price breaks below, so it was sell. It was not a buy signal, it was the sell signal on gold today. Okay, so Great Britain pound JPY, if it completely pumps down, then it will be another sell. Euro USD already has 15 on 15 minute, it has provided you a sell setup because this candle was giving a close below, and then see the move later on. USD CHF, and you can see the price was closing, giving a close above the signal candle, then you can see the price is up. Okay, so even if you go to like a Bitcoin, there will be some signal. You can see this was the sell signal, the price breaks below, you got a scalping chance here. And whatever, like if you trade crypto, whatever you trade, then you can. Okay, but one thing, two things that we need to take care of this indicator, like this is the consolidation, so try to avoid the trading in the consolidation and never try to buy at some high price. Okay, buy somewhere, like if the trend is down. So for example, this was the good buying because the trend was down and you got a signal and the price breaks up, so you got a chance. So try to enter into the buy trade from the lower side and try your best to enter into the sell trade from the upper side. So guys, if you want this beautiful and accurate indicator that almost gives 90% accuracy, then you can contact on Telegram, you can contact through email. Links are in the description of this video. Thank you very much.